summer number 3 now that we've had it, and this LG air conditioner is still functioning really nicely, really cleanly. It's not making noise, it's not spitting out all sorts of nasty stuff. We keep the filters replaced every summer, and it's just really functioning like we got it on day one. And this thing blows so cold. It's incredible. It's so chunky. It's so powerful. I mean, not inside the house, not inside the apartment, but out here you can see. Like, it's a formidable unit, and the bedroom will just crank cold all summer, which is what we need in order to be able to get to sleep. So it's just a really like super high quality, high end unit. It's not some little cheap, slim air conditioner which doesn't really blow cold or, blows a little bit cold. Not only does this thing blow cold, like it's super powerful. It will actually chill out an entire bedroom, like turn it into an ice box on a really, really hot summer night every single time. So, if that's what you need, then this is the investment that you want to make because this really like super high quality has never let us down and just really, really easy to use. And yeah, can't say enough good stuff about it. And we'll definitely gonna use it every night this summer.